Hi, let's fold and unfold a Graco Highchair. Let's fold it. There are two small lever handles here, one on each side. You want to stand behind the highchair, then press and hold down the lever handle on each side. At the same time, slide the front legs to the back legs. There are two slots back here in the legs of the highchair for you to hang the table on. To unfold the highchair, first, remove the table. Then press and hold the lever handles again. At the same time, slide the front legs away from the back legs. Next, let's adjust the height of the highchair. There are two buttons on the back of the legs here. You want to press and hold them down. At the same time, move the seat up and down to adjust the height of the chair as you wish. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.